Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, Dekalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. 2010 Chrysler Town Country. Nice car, huh? Dark gray in color, alloy wheels, privacy glass. You got a roof rack up on top. We got rear power liftgate, power sliding doors, and we can operate that with our remote right here. Stow and go. Nice floor mats that come with the car. So this stow and go means those seats right there, they'll fold down in 60-40 and they'll lay flat on the floor, and then those two middle ones will go down into the floor too. So you can configure this and make it just the way you want it. You can even get a 4x8 piece of plywood in there. Front wheel drive, 6-cylinder, clean auto check. It's a local car, it was used around here. It's got good low miles. We've checked it out, it's all set to go, dual quad seating, nice and clean, and that's where these seats go down into, right in there. So you just pull that up, those seats drop right in there. Nice clean back seat, rear heat and air controls, wood trim throughout the car, AM, FM, CD, satellite radio. There's your climate control for your heat and air conditioning. You got plug-ins for USB and all kinds of stuff. Actually auxiliary, you don't have USB plug-ins, sorry, but you do have auxiliary. And then you got plug-ins down there, power outlets. There's a little tray for drinks, cruise, and radio controls on the steering wheel, power windows, door locks, mirrors, power vents, nice analog gauges. Nice car. You know what it's missing? You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.